Hi guys, good morning, happy Australia Day. Today we're here down in Wollongong. It's a beautiful morning. What a perfect morning to start the day. So we're going to do a few exercises today. It'll be all body workouts, so I hope you guys will like our content. So follow us, we're going to show you how it's all done.
Welcome guys to another video. Today we're not at the gym today, but we're at the beach, so we're going to do something totally different to what we normally do at the gym. So today we're going to do a few exercises. Just behind me there you see that beautiful view. We're going to do a few push-ups and maybe a few sprints, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our video.
Happy Australia Day!